Don't get it over with. Back some more.
It's about to come up.
What you don't want to do is do it
Right
right.
on this fan.
The feet on it.
Oh, God. Looks exactly the same as it went. Oh!
Damn it. Shoes off would have been a good idea.
Oh! Is that it?
No, it's not more.
Oh, God.
Yeah, take the socks off too.
That sucks.
Looks like somebody spilled paint.
Did you get at least one throw up?
Oh yeah.
He's been recording.
Okay, good.
Damn it. Not the first thing you want to see when you come out. How many calories in a gallon of milk?
What?
Probably 100 per cup.
I've noticed you haven't said anything more than one word response in like the past 5
I
minutes.
know.
That was 2.
Oh my God.
Move the shoes. Damn it.
Gross. Oh.
That was almost good. What you did. I just like make a trail.